Ajah is no longer the Ajah of yesterday. Each year, property tends to appreciate as people move into the community because of the rapid development ongoing around Ajah terrain, like a good road network, good infrastructure. This has made residents look for a communal residential environment to live in.
Today, I'm standing on a premium piece of land located beside Cooperative Villa Estate, Badore, Ajah, a fully residential estate where we have buildings and homes erected. This is not one of those isolated locations where you have to wait years for development.
One question many buyers ask about this area is, what about the rainy season? The good news is that this location is well developed with accessible roads, making movements well easy even during the rainy season. Unlike many undeveloped areas, this is a thriving residential community where residents live comfortably throughout the year.
One unique factor about this location is that this estate is actually a buy and build property, which is you can actually buy and commence construction right here on this property. It is not a buy for future development. Also, this estate has potential appreciation value in the future. Ajah of today is no longer the Ajah of yesterday. Every day, the market value keeps increasing. So interested in owning a property right here, we have the property sizes in 200 square meter, 225 square meter, 250 square meter, 300, 350, 500, and 600 square meter respectively, depending on the sizes you are interested in. With an initial deposit of 40%, you can key into any of our plot sizes right here in this estate. Do not wait for the next price increase. You're interested? Call the number showing on your screen.